We diagnose
bago.
service leveling concern. First, we will verify and check with the scan tool if there's a DTC, and then check visually the suspension, air suspension, if shock is leaking or the air spring is blown, and then we need to disassemble and check internal parts to see if it can reuse or discard all. And then when assembly, make sure the proper orientation of the O-ring, and then use of the proper tools to assemble the air suspension shaft with air spring. And then when putting nitrogen, charge the air tank at 16 bar, front suspension to 6 bar, and the rear suspension is 5 bars. Then after that one, you check the compressor operation. If compressor operation is good, check again the pneumatic connection if there is a leak in the system. If no leak in the system, proceed to equalize front air spring, and then equalize rear air spring, air suspension. After that one, you learn the trim height. If F47, front is 940 millimeter and the rear is 950 millimeter. And then after that, you will set to target height. And after doing that, clear DTC, make a road test, and observe the current trim height and vehicle stand, if the concern is still there or the concern is addressed. So that's it. That's all for the how to diagnose or visual inspection for